Hello. My daughter came over today and she brought me a replacement for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And this is what she brought. It is a Galaxy Note 9. And I've got it all set up and everything. So, looks like I'm back in business. My voice is going out on me, so I'm not going to make this long. Fingerprint reader seems to work good. By the way, my name's Jim Howard and I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. Today's date, it is Monday, I believe. It's May 15th of 2023, 10 p.m. at night. Let's see. Keep your phone safe, turn on Find My Mobile so you can locate and remotely find it. Activate mobile service. Download Google Fi app to activate your new SIM card. It's not a new SIM card though. I took it out of the Not going to do anything for a little bit. I don't want to mess anything up. Oops. Let's see. Sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate. I don't think I want auto rotate. Flashlight, power mode, mobile data, mobile hotspot, link to Windows. That's definitely something I think would be good to have. See your latest pictures, text, and more on your computer by linking it to your phone. Yeah, when I take a storm video or something like that, I want it to go immediately to the computer so I can make a YouTube video or something. Okay. Update to the latest version of Links Windows to get started. Okay. Update. The following apps will be updated as well. Links to Windows Service. Okay. Update. I need to get to sleep and I need to get some rest from my throat. Looking for my Coke. Link to Windows installing. Okay, open. I've got two versions of Windows open here. I wonder which ones are connected. Let's see. See, link your phone and PC. I don't have a Windows PC. Link your phone and PC. Is the QR code on your PC already? No. I'm so tired and... Okay, I'm going to say no. Okay, create a note. Your Windows, select. That's the first time the stuff for the stylus is opened up. Oops. Well, I'm going to have to come back to that. S Pen unlock. Press the pen button to unlock your phone and keep it unlocked until you put your S Pen back into the phone. Screen off memo. Notes. I'm not sure you can hear me. Okay, app permission on. Let's see, earthquake alerts on. Okay, it's off now. Emergency location service on. Google location accuracy on. Google location history on. Google location sharing on. Software update. I'm opening a browser. AKA MS slash phone link QRC. Open phone link. Okay, QRC, or QR code reader. Okay, thank goodness it opened up that on my screen here. Okay, continue. Review mobile permission, continue. Allow Link Mobile to access your contacts. Allow Link's Moto to make and manage phone calls. Allow Link to Windows to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow Link to Windows to send and view SMS messages. Done. help us to improve. You're all set. Microsoft account. I don't like that. That should be my Google account. Okay, desktop 38F50K2 connected. Add a computer. I don't want to go through that again. I've already done it. I mean, you know. Okay, I'm not sure what I've got installed here, if anything. Welcome to the PhoneLink app. With the PhoneLink app, everything you love about your phone is now accessible from your PC. Open PhoneLink when I log into Windows. Send text messages, make calls, view my photos. Okay, send a text message, I'm not sure who I'll send it to. Well, all the apps and things that are available are showing up on the screen here. Contacts. Loading phone screen. Connect to the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your Android device and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay. I've got to go to bed. My voice is gone. Thank you very much for watching.